Hey there everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of breathwork and energy alignment with a simple yet powerful technique, Nadi Shodhana or alternate nostril breathing. So let's start with a soothing background, perhaps waves gently rolling in or a calm forest scene. I'll be your guide and we'll be exploring the ancient art of breathwork. Now let's talk about Pranayama, the art of breath control. It's a powerful tool to calm the mind, reduce stress, and enhance your life force energy. Also known as prana, Nadi Shodhana is a simple yet effective technique to align your energy. Here's how to do it. Sit comfortably with your spine straight and shoulders relaxed. Use your right thumb to close off your right nostril. Inhale deeply through your left nostril for a count of 4. Then close your left nostril with your ring finger and release your thumb from your right nostril. Exhale through your right nostril for a count of 4. Inhale through your right nostril for 4, close it with your thumb, and exhale through your left. Repeat this cycle 3 to 5 times. Now let's put it into practice. Close your eyes, sit comfortably, and let's begin. Feel the calm wash over you with each breath, aligning your body, mind, and energy. After the session, share your experience in the comments. Let's build a community of calm and energy together. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breathwork and energy alignment tips. Until next time, take care and stay calm.